Hey guys, excuse my face. I am very exhausted. As you can tell, it's 3 in the morning right now. I have to leave my house in 3 hours, and I have been up editing till now. I just finished editing today's and tomorrow's and day after tomorrow's video because I am going to Chennai for the first time and I am so excited. So I thought I should take you guys along with me, and before I even leave the house I wanted to show you guys everything that I'm packing and how I'm packing and everything. Yeah, so let's get started with that. I am taking this bag right here for my makeup. I feel like it's the perfect size and I think it'll fit everything. And for my skincare, I'm taking this bag. It folds into half and it fits quite a lot of things. So I'm gonna take my Foreo Luna. I am also going to take the Jeju Volcanic face wash. I really like using these two for the shower, and this is the Kiehl's one, this is the Clinique one, but I feel like this is more travel friendly, so I'm just going to take this. So these are the few things that I've been using for skincare, so I'm going to take them. I'm going to take the retexturizer because I really like it. So I feel like I should take this because it's very hydrating again, and then I could use this as a toner, and I could take this too because I really liked it. The consistency is like the chia seed cream, which I love, so I think I'm gonna take these two along with me and try them out when I am in Chennai. Now for makeup, I'm so confused about which foundation I want to take. I really like the Makeup Forever HD foundation. I'm so sorry about this mess, but I think I have most of the things streamlined, so I'm just taking like some random brushes and the things that I've been using the most, like blush and this Nika highlighter. I am also going to take the Cabral. Where's the Cabral? I can't find. So this is where I usually keep like my lipsticks that I wear mostly. These are like my lip balms. But where is my Cabral? It was right here in the mess. Okay, so we've got that eyelash curler. Where's the mascara that I've been wearing? I've been loving this mascara, so I'm gonna take that. Setting spray, I guess. Yeah. Also throwing in a dirty sponge. For eyeshadow, I was thinking of taking something like this because it's got like really wearable colors and it's got like those basics as well. And I'm gonna take the Fenty Fly Liner because it's so good. I can see the Superstay Matte Ink right here, so I think that's what I'm gonna take. I need a nice red just in case. And I'm gonna take these two colors. This is Fashion Legacy and that's Spiced Latte. I think that's enough. I shouldn't pack more than that. So that goes in there. I'm also packing in my straightener. This is the one from Bellamy. I really like this. This is where I keep most of my makeup removers. So I think I'm gonna take the Clean It Zero. And I think I'm gonna take like a mini Bioderma. That always works. Where are you? It's right there, and I'm gonna take this cotton. So that goes in there. For perfume, I think I'm gonna take this one. It smells really nice. It's called La Belle something. It's by Lancome. I can't pronounce the French word. That goes in here. Almost forgot to pack my toothbrush and paste. I'm still not very sure about what I want to wear, but I think I'm gonna take this for the meet and greet. It might look nice. It's a jumpsuit. It's a long jumpsuit. I also have like a matching shoe with this, so I think I'm just gonna pack that. I need something to sleep in, so I think I'm just gonna take this. It's a set from H&M that I love wearing. It's so comfy. Also, how amazing is my wardrobe right now. I'm so thankful to Rohini for coming over. If you guys haven't seen my organization videos, then please go watch it. It's been a life-changing act. So that's everything. I just like place them on this side of the suitcase. And with shoes, what I like to do is put them in these Shein plastic. So whenever you order from Shein, they send you these sort of Ziploc sort of bags, and I never throw them away because they are great to pack your shoes when you're traveling. So that's what I like to do. So that's the other side. I'm just gonna quickly take a quick check around the house just to see I haven't missed anything, and then I'm just gonna pack this up. I'm also gonna take my laptop, so I'm just gonna take this. It's my laptop sleeve from H&M. It's so pretty, so I'm just gonna quickly pack that. So I made it to the flight with barely 2 hours of sleep, and I found someone who recognized me. This is Dolly, and we are sitting next to each other. I'm trying not to get other people. Lucky me. Yeah, I don't know when to see. It's clear. Yeah, look at the lens. Yeah, so she looks at me and she's like, "Are you Debasree?" And I'm like, "Yes." Yeah, but I'm so sorry that I'm not able to show you. We have a loud neighbor. Cranky kids. Yeah. Oh my god, and I wanted to sleep in this flight. So I'm telling her to sleep, but she doesn't want to. I can't sleep in flights. It's so hard to me. I know. But yeah, it's going to be a 2-hour journey for us, and I'll see you once I'm in Chennai. That's my OOTD for today. I think I didn't show it when I left in the morning, but yeah, it's like my standard outfit for when I have flights, especially early in the morning. So I have like my Nike shoes, my only jeans, the bag that you saw in my What's in My Bag video. This is the Charles and Keith one, and this sweatshirt from Zara. And the background is courtesy of the Design Hotel.
Our website is daisyskinfix.com.
Okay, that's an Indian.
Yeah, it is. We are based. So this is our Instagram handle.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
For a morning, like say for anybody in general, how important is it to take care of their own skin because they're going to be wearing makeup all day long, like at least most of the days.
Going back derogatory names and people will comment you badly, and that was what I faced. But since I started using makeup, there is no looking back.
So I just got done with my panel and I met so many lovely girls. Hey, hi. And I was like, you guys want to be in my vlog? They were like, yes. So we just had like a very, it was nice, right? It was fun. You guys like the panel? It was very
So many people from different walks of the makeup world and everyone telling us what they know about it, and they've been doing amazing stuff as well.
I was very, very touched with the way they came up to me and then they were talking, and so many other girls. I was very shocked that people even recognized me down here. And you know, the person who was hosting, she's lovely as well. She's a singer, yes, right? Yes. So she came down. She's like, "Hey, Debasree, I follow your work." And I was like, "Oh my god, I love this video already." Yeah. So I'm so glad we come, and I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yes, at the main. I have found what I've been looking for. Finally, Jade rollers. I've been seeing Lisa Eldridge use them.
Oh yes, and Gautamista.
Yeah, yes. And I was like, I need them for my life.
Hi, so it's going to be the last step of your skincare routine. Be that a moisturizer or an oil. Works wonderful with sleeping masks and sheet masks too. So just apply a moisturizer to your face. You want your skin to have a little bit of slip so that you don't tug at your skin at all. And then you roll it in a specific direction. So your lymph nodes are right beside your ear, all through your jawline, and right here at the base of your neck where your collarbone is. You start rolling downward about 5 times each. You cover small sections. Then what you're going to have to do is start at the center of your chin and move up and out. Again, follow sections. When you reach your eye, use the small side, if I can show you.
Like this side.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So when you use your eye area, just use the smaller side to push it up 5 times and then go outward and towards your ear.
Oh my god.
Right? And for your forehead, switch back to the bigger side, roll up and then roll out. And to end it, just push your skin back up because to begin with, we rolled downwards. So now we want to tone our muscles, push them back up. So we're going to start rolling it upwards again. So that's how you use them.
So I'm gonna get meta now because I'm shopping in Zara, wearing Zara, and I have Rochelle here with me. Hello. So Chennai has been amazing. You guys are so sweet. I'm bumping into so many of you, and yeah, I think me and Rochelle are gonna catch up, and I'm gonna get back to you guys. Literally the weirdest light ever, but I made it back to my hotel room and I am currently going to edit this vlog right now and try and upload it. Hopefully the internet is working fine and you guys get to see this within an hour, and I am so excited to meet you guys tomorrow at the meet and greet here, and I just wanted to just take a moment and appreciate each and every one of you that I bumped into today and everyone that said hi and appreciated my work, and it was so sweet and thoughtful and warm. Everybody was so warm and nice. I'm loving this place already, and I know tomorrow is gonna be even more amazing. I'm just so grateful to you guys and for all of the love that you guys have been showing me online as well for September. As it's coming to an end, I'm almost feeling sad that this is coming to an end because I'm so used to filming videos every day and like having YouTube at the back of my mind every day again, and I'm really liking that feeling. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.